New neighbors.
Oh, is that a fraternity?
Are you ready for a show?
We're gonna have to call the cops.
You told us not to call the cops.
Do it anonymously.
Oh, no. Hi, how's it going?
You have no idea what you started.
Welcome to the darkness, bitches.
This is dangerous. Our family is in danger.
Your daughter's gonna be growing up, watching all these young, shirtless men next door, and we're gonna be watching right back.
They underestimated us. I don't want to take the gloves off, but I'm going to take them off.
You guys just crossed the line. You're dead.
So long, neighbor.
Don't open this door no matter what you hear!
Oh, God! Oh, my God. Come on, guys.
Jesus.